Hello, my name is Ms. Pagan, and I'm a remote teacher. I'm also a virtual content specialist. And in this lesson, Unit 6E, Day 31, with the focus question, how can I make different amounts using coins? In collaboration with the Division of Multilingual Learners, I'd like to share some supports that you can use in this lesson to support your English language learners or your multilingual learners. First, you'll notice in the suggestions on slide number 8 for engaging multilingual learners to use the home language as a resource. For that reason, you will be provided with the Spanish PowerPoint of this lesson. You can access the Spanish PowerPoint simply by clicking on the PowerPoint slide that will be provided for you, clicking on the hyperlink, and then making a copy. Once you make a copy, you can use this for your students in your Google Classroom, one copy per student, per partnership, per group, or even in a live lesson. You'll notice in the Spanish PowerPoint that has been provided for you in the Explore section and also in the Introduction section. Students will be using a combination of different coins. You'll notice that there is in the Explore section, coins on the right-hand side you can click on and then drag into the pockets. In this word problem, you'll notice that Anton has 20 cents in his pockets, but you are to demonstrate, or students are to demonstrate, two combinations of 10 cents. For that reason, and as a support tool for English language learners, I have provided virtual coins. Simply click on the link. You will open a blank workspace that students can use as a workspace to manipulate coins and create different combinations. You'll notice in the section that is the introduction, the students are asked to create different kinds of combination of coins. There is a table on the right-hand side with 4 quantities that students are to create combination of coins and to have their coins shown by simply clicking and dragging. This might be a difficult task for English language learners. For that reason, you can utilize the Spanish PowerPoint or the online tool. In this online tool, I'd just like to show you some features and how to utilize the features in this math app from the Math Learning Center. This is a free nonprofit company, and they have several tools, one of which is this work mat using coins. You'll see the coins on the left-hand side. Simply click on the coin, and it shows up in the workspace. There are 2 different ways that the coin can show up. The coin can show in itself the coin, and then you'll notice that there's a base 10 block attached to it. For 1 cent, you'll have a 1 or unit. For 5 cents, you'll have 5 units attached. And for 10 cents, you'll have 10 units or a tenth or a base 10 rod. This is an additional support for English language learners as they click on the coin. Not only is the value represented in the chart on the left-hand side, but they can visually see an example with the base 10 blocks that are present. If students do not want to see the base 10 blocks and hide them, you can simply on the left-hand corner, change from the grid view to the coin view. All of a sudden, the coins become slightly larger and students can just see the coins and manipulate the coins. In the left-hand side, you'll see the value of the coins. Also, when you manipulate right here on the bottom, you can exchange coins. So you can exchange 1 coin for others. You can utilize different features or different examples, one of which that you'll notice is the pocket, which I placed in the video for support for English language learners in Spanish. In the Explore section, students are asked to show a model with a pocket of 2 combinations of 10 cents each. Although there is an image that's present here to show two pockets, you may use this as a workspace. It clearly shows a pocket. Students can click on the image of each coin and place it in the pocket. Once they place it in the pocket, they can show the pocket, or they can even click on the eye icon and hide the pocket, and you can see the coins that are in, and then go back to see the pocket. You'll also notice there are other features where if students want to explore the actual coin, both the front and the back of the coin, which in this lesson and in various lessons, you explore the front and the back of the coin. You can click and turn the coin. You can zoom in to look at the front and the back of the coin. You'll also notice if you are using the base 10 supports, students can flip the base 10 and be able to see it in both views, both horizontally and vertically. Also, when writing on this workspace, students can use this feature where they can add numbers and label. So if they have a dime, they can label 10. Or they can use addition sentences just by clicking on the different features and click done. So they can label their work and even go up and down to create the smaller or larger sizes and really show their work. You also notice that there's a pen feature, which I utilized in the model lesson in Spanish. You can label, use any quantities, number sentences. You can choose to select straight lines or curves. There are different color formats. You can erase one section, or you can clear your entire page of your drawing that you have just placed, or the entire page by clicking right here on this rotate icon. This is one feature, one support tool that students can utilize as an online support. Finally, teachers, if there are any other questions, there is an about right here with the eye icon for information. You can click on this information page and it gives you directions on how to use the money pages and how to use the images and how to place them in the front or hide and place them in the back. Again, in this lesson, I have provided a Spanish PowerPoint. Also, when clicking on the Spanish PowerPoint for the introduction and also the explore section, you'll notice that I have already attached this link as a support tool for English language learners. The suggestion in the guidance for summarizing, or actually the guidance for implementation, is to use online tools. Didax is provided for you. However, Didax does not have online coins. So feel free to click on this non-for-profit coin or virtual coins and utilize to support your class or your English language learners or multilingual learners. Again, this is Ms. Pagan, and I am providing for you a Spanish PowerPoint and also virtual math tools or online coins that students can utilize in the introduction section and in the explore section to complete this lesson, Unit 6E, Day 31, How Can I Make Different Amount Using Coins, or different amounts using coins. Again, this is Ms. Pagan. Feel free to place comments or questions on our YouTube page so we can best support you as you support your students.